Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails with vodka. We will begin by exploring vodka's incredible versatility as a base spirit, perfect for countless drink creations. You will learn about the fundamental bar tools necessary for crafting delicious beverages right at home. We will also uncover the most popular mixers that perfectly complement vodka, setting the stage for your mixology journey. Get ready to elevate your home bar skills and impress your friends with expertly made drinks. To start, you will need a few key pieces of equipment: a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, a strainer, and a muddler are essential. Mastering basic techniques like shaking vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds or gently stirring for 30 seconds ensures proper chilling and dilution. Always measure your ingredients accurately. For instance, use 1½ ounces of vodka for a standard drink, ensuring a perfectly balanced and delicious cocktail every time. Let's dive into some timeless vodka classics. First, the sophisticated vodka martini, typically made with 2½ ounces of vodka and 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth, stirred until perfectly chilled. Next, the refreshing Moscow Mule, combining 2 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of ginger beer, and 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Finally, the vibrant Cosmopolitan, featuring 1½ ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, and a splash of lime. These are fantastic starting points. Now, let's unleash your inner mixologist and craft your own unique vodka cocktails. Experiment with a wide array of fruit juices, from tart grapefruit to sweet pineapple and various simple syrups. The key is balancing the sweet, sour, and strong components. A good rule of thumb is 2 parts strong, 1 part sweet, and 1 part sour. Don't forget the garnish. A lemon twist, a fresh berry, or a sprig of mint can elevate your drink's appeal and flavor significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.